Good morning and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. So today we've got one of my favorite Thai salads, and that is Larb Phed. So that is a roast duck salad, spicy, sour, salty, and that will absolutely rock your world. So if that sounds good to you, and of course you know it does, stick around after this. So here's our ingredients. So we have 200 grams of duck breast. We have some Kaffir lime leaves, some spring onion. We have some limes and a banana shallot. We've got some sliced galangal and minced chopped up galangal. And we have some coriander and some mint leaves. So we're going to mince the duck breast. So we slice the duck breast, leave the skin on. You need that fat. And then we mince the duck breast. That should do it. Now let's start cooking. So, a bit of oil, low heat. 1 tablespoon of chopped galangal. Gently fry that. Home now. Smells so good, this actually. Okay, in with your duck. No need to add any more oil. The fat from the duck will suffice. But you're just going to need to move this around quickly in the wok. It's almost as if you're browning off minced beef for a ragu sauce. As you can see, it cooks pretty quickly.
Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, now let's add the flavour. So we've got 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. 2 tablespoons of Khao Khua. I'll show you in the corner the link for the video that we show you how to make this. 1 heaped tablespoon of dry roasted chilli. Squeeze 1 whole lime. Add the spring onion, coriander and Kaffir lime leaves. Give it a good mix. This is off the heat as well, okay? And then we just plate up. And just add some, last thing is to add some fresh mint leaves on top. Alright, let's try this Larb Phed. Looks good.
I try sibag.
This one another video.
ไหนอ่ะ
อร่อยไหมลาบเป็ด
Yeah, nice. Sour, spicy, salty. It's perfect. So everyone, I hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you again next week. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and of course hit that bell. It really helps us massively. Next week we've got a Chinese-inspired Thai fish dish. So keep an eye out for that. And stay safe and take care, and we'll see you soon. Bye.